Hey everyone, I'm the Code Architect. Today, we're diving into RAG optimization for better accuracy.
RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, combines retrieval and generation models. But sometimes RAG hallucinates. Hallucinations are when the model generates incorrect or nonsensical information. Let's fix that.
First, improve your data. High-quality data leads to more accurate results and less hallucinations.
Clean your data by removing irrelevant info and correcting errors. This is very important. Next, chunking is key. Break your data into smaller, meaningful segments for retrieval.
Overlapping chunks can help maintain context between segments for better retrieval and accuracy. Then, optimize your retrieval strategy. Choosing the right method improves context retrieval significantly. Semantic search uses embeddings to find relevant information based on meaning, not just keywords. Fine-tuning your models on domain-specific data can drastically reduce hallucinations and improve accuracy. Use techniques like prompt engineering. Crafting precise prompts guides the model to better answers. You add explicit instructions in your prompts to ground the responses in the retrieved context. Implement a validation step. Check the generated output against the retrieved context. Use metrics like factual consistency to evaluate if the generated text aligns with the source. Experiment with different RAG configurations. Test different models and parameters to find the best setup. Regularly evaluate your RAG system's performance and iterate on your approach for continuous improvement. Monitor for signs of hallucinations and adjust your strategies accordingly. Stay vigilant, my friends. By implementing these optimization techniques, you can significantly reduce hallucinations. Accuracy goes up. Let's recap. We covered data cleaning, chunking, retrieval, fine-tuning, prompting, and validation. Phew! So, go forth and optimize your RAG systems. Build something amazing, my friends. You can do it!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on AI and software engineering.